Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you a really very big airdrop. It's a really very big huge airdrop. It's 100% legit airdrop, so you must not miss this airdrop, and it's a very big airdrop, big project. Also it's a legit and big project, so please don't miss that airdrop. Let's move on to our Telegram channel for joining that airdrop. So let's open the Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder. If you didn't join our Telegram channel yet, then please join our Telegram channel, because I provide all the best earning airdrops over here only. So this is our Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder. I have provided the link of this channel in the video description, so from there you can just click on the link and join my this Hidden Airdrop Finder Telegram channel. So friends, our airdrop is this Project Mars airdrop. It's a very big project and airdrop, so you must not miss this airdrop. You will get up to 12,500 Mars token from this, and as it is a good project, so you will receive huge rewards from this, and it's 100% free and legit, and it's on FTM network. So for joining this, first you need to click on this joining link, and firstly friends, you just need to download one browser for just joining this airdrop, and the browser name is Kiwi browser. So let me show you the browser on the Play Store. Let me just show you the browser on the Play Store. So just search, go to your Play Store and browser, search and install it right now, because we will need that very important browser for joining this very important airdrop. This is the Kiwi browser, so just install this, and after you install this browser, you just need to come back to our airdrop page, Hidden Airdrop Finder, and just join this airdrop by just clicking on this joining link. So just click on this link right, and just open this link on the browser. Click on Kiwi browser. If you don't have PC, then you can just do this on Android only by using Kiwi browser app. So let's just move on to our this page. So after you have clicked on the airdrop page, you will see something like this. So here simply you just need to write your phantom address, and the phantom address you will get from here by just installing or downloading a MetaMask extension on this page only. So let's just let's just open a new tab by clicking here, and then clicking on this top left plus button. After you click on this top left plus button, you just need to search for Chrome Web Store. After you search this, just search this on this browser only, and some search results will come out. So just click on the first search result, Chrome Web Store, this site. Just open this site. After you open the site, you just need to see for the top left corner icon. So just top left, just click on this search bar, search the store, click on this and type MetaMask. After you type MetaMask, you just need to click on this search button. After you click on this button, it will show you some search results, and this is our extension. So just click on this extension. After you click on MetaMask, this first option, then you just need to click here. Here will come the option of add to Chrome. As I have already installed this, and I have already added this to my browser, Kiwi browser. That's why it's showing like remove from Chrome, but it will Chrome. So you just need to click on add to Chrome, and after you click on add to Chrome, your MetaMask will be installed here, and it will show something like this. So here, click on top right corner these three dots. After you click on top right corner three dots, you just need to scroll down to the bottom, and it will show something like this. This is the MetaMask extension. So just click on here MetaMask. After you click on MetaMask, click on this option MetaMask, and after you click on this option, it will show something. So it will show two options, create account or import account. Then you need to click on option of create account. So let me just show you. I have already done, that's why it's showing something different on my page, but you will be new on this, and you need to click on create new account. After you click on create new account, a page like this will open, and then you need to write your name, like I am writing over here, and click on create. After you click on create, your account will be successfully created, and then you need to click on this, and then you need to just import your it will show something like this in your case, Ethereum mainnet. So then you need to just click on this option. Then you need to click on custom RPC. After you click on custom RPC, there it will show something like this. These 5 box it will show. So then you need to go back to my Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder, and you will see something like this. So click on this second link, add phantom network. After you click on this link, open it on any browser. After you open this on any browser, then you just need to you will just scroll down and see all the details here. So you just need to copy and paste all these details over here, over the blank boxes. So you just need to copy this Phantom Opera, click on copy, and then just go back to the Kiwi browser. Then you just need to paste it on here, network name. Then just go back to the page in which all the details are there. Then you just need to click on this link, click and hold for this some time, and after you will see something like this. Then click on copy link text. After you click on copy link text, just go back to this page and then just paste it over here. Sequentially you have to do all this, as it is showing URL is already present in existing list of network, because I have already imported this, but you won't import this right now. So you just need to import this, and it will show something different from you, and it will not show this red text. So then you just need to write chain ID 250 and symbol FTM. Chain ID write 250, and in symbol in currency symbol write FTM. And the last option you just need to fill just by clicking and holding it, and click on copy link address again. After this, just paste it over here and click on save. After you click on save, it will show something like this after you click on save. So the Phantom Opera network will be opened, and then you just need to click here. After you click here, your address will be copied. It will show something like this on the top left corner, copy to clipboard. And then you just need to go back to the airdrop page which you just clicked on our Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder. The link on which you claimed is this airdrop page. Then you just need to paste your copied address of Phantom. After you paste this, you just need to click on submit. After you click on submit, after you click on submit, you just need to see all these options, like you will see all these options like your referral link. Then you just need to copy and just share your referral link. You can also do all these tasks, like just this task 9,000 marks. You can just join this and just do all the tasks right here. And friends, after you do all these tasks, you will surely get this airdrop after 12 days. So under 12 days you just need to claim your this airdrop by just copying and pasting your Phantom address over here and click on submit. And you just can do all these tasks like YouTube, join, subscribe YouTube, and also you can join, follow their Twitter account, write your Twitter username here, then join the Telegram group and write your Telegram username here, and then you can also join the Discord group for more tokens, and enter your Discord username and submit. Well, after you do this, it will be showing something like this. After you complete all the tasks, you will be shown. Okay, I'm just gonna clear this. After you do all these tasks, you just can check for your status. You can also share your referral link by copying your referral link and sharing it with your friends, and then you will get 1000 Mars tokens for every referral you refer. So friends, after you do all these tasks, your airdrop has been successfully joined now. And so friends, please don't miss this airdrop. Please must join this airdrop, as it's really very big and legit project. It's 100% free, so please don't miss this airdrop. Join this by following all the steps I told you in this video. Watch full video and join this airdrop. Must join this airdrop, as it is for limited users, so please don't miss. And friends, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, share and support by like, share and subscribe, and also join my Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder. I have provided the link of this airdrop in description and this channel in description, so please must join this airdrop by joining this channel. And also join all the other airdrops I show over here, because any airdrop can give you huge earnings, because sometimes we get a lot of airdrops which give thousands of dollars earning for free. So don't miss any airdrop. Join all the airdrops provided in my Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder. Thank you.